స్వాగతం. కళ్ళకు ఎప్పుడూ నాణ్యమైన కాటుకనే వాడాలి. కాటుక వాడినప్పుడు దురద పెట్టడం, కళ్ళు మంట పుట్టడం వంటి లక్షణాలు కనిపిస్తే వెంటనే ఆ కాటుక పెట్టుకోవటం ఆపేయాలి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
My name is Namrita Rupani. I'm a practicing dental surgeon for the last 16 years and also a professional photographer for the last 8. I've been in Hyderabad for about 15 years now, and I graduated from CMC, Christian Medical College. I was born and brought up in Delhi, and then I moved here about 16 years ago. I think 2.5 years ago I started a single company under which I have 3 verticals now. One is the dental services, one is the photography, and one is the fine art printing. So before that, I think my clinic was separate and my photography studio was separate. So 2.5 years ago, I took it all under one name called Capture Life, and it's been a great ride so far. So I think I studied to be a dental surgeon, and I love everything about dentistry, and I think I love clinical work. But at the same time, I think photography was something that just happened to me. It found me, and I wanted to be able to pursue both. I didn't want to have to choose between one or the other. So that is why I think Capture Life came about, and the thought process behind the name was also such that I wanted it to have one entity and not have a separate name for the photography and for the dental services. So that's why I called it Capture Life. Four and a half years ago, when the metro rail in Hyderabad was being made, I was approached to shoot the making of the metro. And the exciting part was that I was told that the pictures would go up in the metro rail museum, where it would be where my generations could see pictures that I had shot. So I thought that was very exciting, and it was a beautiful experience. I think I love old architecture, but to shoot something that was developing was challenging. At the same time, it was very exciting. To have access to go into spaces where I ordinarily wouldn't have been allowed to go, and to be able to shoot, the construction, see the workers in action. We even shot from the highest building in Nampally, where, we got a bird's eye view of the Nampally exhibition and the Mozamjai market. So I think it was a very, very wonderful experience, and then to see those pictures in print at an exhibition was the highlight. I actually have a tattoo that says Capture Life. I had this before I even thought of naming this company that. It was, I think what photography meant to me was very life-changing. I think it changed my perspective. I even gave a TED talk at Nalsar University on the same thing, about how photography changed my perspective. And what it really taught me is to live in the moment, to take each day as it comes. And I think the essence of Capture Life means that for me. And when I was trying to look for a name which sort of, it was very hard to name a company a single thing when it had dentistry and photography under it, because they're so different. I think I finally decided on Capture Life because of what it meant to me. The conviction of me wanting to do photography with dentistry was I think the biggest challenge in terms of people understanding it, But I stuck my ground, and I think my family, as far as my husband, my kids are concerned, they've been extremely supportive. I've been very blessed in that sense, and initially there were circles of people who wouldn't understand why I'd want to do both. But I think it's been about 6-7 years that I've been commercially shooting, and I think now people do get it. I think they see what I do and why I want to do it. I think time management is key. I think we get a limited number of hours in a day. I think what you make of those hours is what really counts. And again, it's not easy. I'm saying it like that, but it's not easy. I think it's a challenge I face every day, what I want to do or how much I can do in a day. And yeah, I think it's a constant balance. I think as women, we are constantly balancing. I think our task and our jobs are tougher because we end up we get off work and then we go home and then we're again at work in a certain sense. I think if you really manage your time and are disciplined with it, I think anything's possible. Those were the days when Facebook and Instagram and everything was very big, and people would just see, I would post pictures and people would see my work, and then they would inquire if I could do family portfolios, and and that way weddings came about, and similarly, our old clients would come back for other like product shoots or infrastructure shoots and so on and so forth. So I think our marketing was more or less very organic for that, and for the dentistry it was purely word of mouth. I think we're limited only by the way we think. I think the sky is the limit. There's nothing stopping us. The era that we're living in is very, very brilliant in the sense that it's very accepting of anything that we want to do. I think people are very accepting of seeing women in various fields. And we really are limitless. I think women make great business heads. I think they make great entrepreneurs. I think it's ingrained in our DNA to be able to balance things very well, and I think that's what's required of an entrepreneur. I think we take stress very well. So yeah, I think whatever you decide to do for yourself, just don't let your thoughts hold you back. Just go out and pursue it, and I think the skies are yours to achieve.
చూసారుగా సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ. ఇక ఎక్కువగా చెమట పట్టే చర్మం ఉన్నవారు, బుక్కపోతగా ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా కాటుక పెట్టుకోవాలని అనుకునేవారు ముందుగా ముఖాన్ని ఐస్ ముక్కలతో మర్దన చేసుకోవాలి. దీనివల్ల చెమట ఎక్కువగా పట్టదు, కాటుక పెట్టుకున్నా చెదరదు. మరి కాటుక పెట్టుకునే మగువలు మీరు ఈ టిప్స్ అన్ని పాటించి మీ అందాన్ని మరింత పెంచుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తున్నాం. ఇది ఇవాల్టి నవ్య కార్యక్రమం. మరో సరికొత్త ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంతవరకు